Maybe sometimes people aren't meant to be. Things change. It's never like it used to be. No matter how good at times, it's the bad ones that stay on our minds. I never understood what you wanted from me. I gave you my love, and you constantly turned it away, refusing my touch, except when you wanted it. It wasn't right. Why couldn't you see? You never showed me any love, but had the nerve to say you loved me. That I was all you ever needed, that you could never let me go. I was young, and I should have known. It's like you had a barricade up. Emotionally, you were unclosed, making me feel trapped just by the way you act. Why couldn't you see that? How is it a relationship when it's so one-sided? You can't live like that. You tell me what I can do and what I can't do, but you run the streets anytime you want to, always telling me if I leave I'll regret it, that you were the best thing I'd ever had. Because you're not hitting me anymore? Do you think that really hurts me? Your emotional lashes, verbal bashes, hitting me with cold overtones, cutting my heart, bruising my battered soul, my whole, destroying the love that we once knew. I can't handle it. I can't take it no more. Don't you get it? It's wrong. Making me live like this, if you can call it living anyway. You won't let me paint or write poetry. I have no friends anymore. You chase them away before they hit the door. And when I do, I have to hide from you. You think I'm up to something? I hear you do. Laying blame. You're good at that, aren't you? You're killing the best parts of me. Slowly dying inside and you're too blind to see. Draining my spirit, making my heart bleed. Making me hate everything I loved about you. But every time convincing myself to leave. I hear you mumble when you think I'm asleep. Holding me tight and firm, I hear you say all those things I needed to hear. How much you love me and you couldn't live without me. How you fell in love with me for my beauty and my creativity. Those are the things you've been taking away from me. It's not making any sense to me. For all those things you fell in love with, those are the things that you've been constantly killing. You killed my butterflies, wrapping them back up in their cocoons, suffocating the life out of me and you. You have to understand, I will always love that man in you that I first met. The one that gave me my first flutters, making my heart dance. Maybe that's why it was hard for me to leave. And I hadn't left yet. But every time I try to say anything to you, I can't. I keep hoping and wishing he was you. That you were once again that man. But I can't do this no more. I have to leave. But you will always be in my heart, for you stripped away all the feelings from me. Because now I need to go find happy and set myself free.